you can use ChatGPT as your 24/7 assistant for your online business. Yes, you can. For your script writing, instead of typing and thinking, oh, how do I generate script for this? How do I generate script for this content? All you can do is go to ChatGPT. I'm going to be sharing a secret with you at the end of this video, so be sure to watch to the end. So once you get to your ChatGPT, as you can see at the top of my ChatGPT, I have it saved on my WhatsApp. So you're going to be exact, be intentional, be very, very clear on what you want ChatGPT to do for you. That's how to get the best out of ChatGPT. So as you can see here, I'm typing what I want it to generate for me. I want it to generate a full script for me, include the voiceovers, include the visuals of a video on, let's say, how to make money online. So please generate a script, voiceover, and visuals for a 5-minute video on how to make money online. Be very clear, be very specific on what you want ChatGPT to do for you. So this is it here, and then you're going to wait for it to load. Here you go. You scroll up and you see the full script, the full package. Click on read more. It will show you the full package, the visuals, the voiceover, the step-by-step method, and it will even show you the apps that you can use to generate your visuals, generate your videos, and it will ask you if you need the visuals or the videos, and you just click yes. So you see that ChatGPT is literally doing everything for you. I have ChatGPT saved on my phone, on WhatsApp. I'll show you the phone number at the end of this video. You can also use ChatGPT to search for a profitable niche. Search for a profitable niche. So you're going to type it just the exact way you want it. So you're going to say, as a YouTube beginner, what niche do I begin with? You allow it to load, and then it will just come up with what you want. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. Yes, there you go. It has come up with a very clear, articulate, and straightforward niches that you can, go into. So you need to read through it, and then you need to now pick. Before I continue, please subscribe to my channel and click on the button, the ring button. Okay, to generate captions for social media. Yes, your social media need catchy and trendy captions. Remember, it's the captions that is making them to want to watch. When you have a trendy and catchy social media caption, they'll want to watch your video. So you'd want to tell ChatGPT to generate that for you. Generate a very good and catchy, trendy caption for my social media. Also try to indicate if it's on TikTok, on Facebook, or on Instagram. Be specific. There you go. It has come up with very trendy and catchy captions that you can use. You scroll through, you read through, and you pick which one that is suitable for your niche or for the particular app that you want to use it for, depending on the topic that you have chosen. So you read through and you see that ChatGPT is your 24/7 assistant for your online business. Now, this is how ChatGPT translates message. Once you input, it is able to look at it, validate it, check if it's something that you have imputed correctly, and then if you have, it will be able to bring up an output for you. ChatGPT is simple, it's easy. Here is the secret: the number that I saved and ChatGPT appeared on my WhatsApp. You can save the number and you can use ChatGPT sweetly and swiftly. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.